Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create like an eyeshadow palette playlist or a Roblox playlist. These are just Spotify playlist themes, ideas that you can apply to your playlist. So I only have 6 public playlists here, as you can see. These ones was just an example, but I just went to Illustrator. You can use Canva for this, and you're just going to make your images into a square. Select your playlist, and I'm going to start with the eyeshadow palette one just to show you guys what it looks like, and then I will change it to the Roblox one as well. I personally kind of like the eyeshadow palette better. I'm sure there's more themes out there that you can try. It's gonna take a while to load, so just be patient because it's gotta like upload one by one, so just be patient. All right, it's like it has not changed. Also, let me know in the comment section down below, like what other Spotify playlist themes that you have, like other ideas that people can use. I think it's still like loading because, hold on, let me go back to my profile. Let me just close Spotify first, actually. And reopen it. Okay. I think it's changed. If I go to my profile and scroll down to my playlist, as you can see, I have this like Spotify shadow palette playlist. I don't think I'm gonna do the Roblox one. I mean, you can see it for yourself, but it's gonna take a while to get there and rechange them all. But that is how you can create this really cute playlist on Spotify. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!